Well, next month, the U.S. Supreme Court will hear arguments in a lawsuit that started here in Indiana, and the case could mean changes for some nursing home patients and their families. CBS 4's Kristen Eskow joins us live in our studio now. Kristen, you know you've been following this case, and could be quite an impact here.
Well, that's right, Debbie. The question at the center of the case is whether people can sue publicly owned nursing homes for violations of federal law under Medicare and Medicaid. The family of a Northwest Indiana man filed the suit in 2019. His daughter tells me she never imagined it would be considered by the nation's high court, but believes it does have big implications for other families.
I thought he was going to die, to tell you the truth. I was so concerned.
Susie Talevsky says her father, Georgie, needed care in a nursing home due to his dementia. In 2019, her family filed a lawsuit after he was transferred to another facility under the Health and Hospital Corporation of Marion County. Talevsky alleges the nursing home did not get her family's consent for the transfer or the psychiatric medications he was given, which would violate federal law.
A nursing home is the home of the nursing home patient, right? That's where they live. And there is a nursing home residents' Bill of Rights.
Talevsky says she filed the lawsuit to ensure her family and others could hold facilities accountable. The Health and Hospital Corporation argues families cannot sue a publicly owned nursing home in federal court for such a violation. The HHC declined our request for an interview, but provided a statement that reads in part, "Nursing homes in our state are held accountable by multiple agencies, and there are several ways patients can find legal remedy if they believe a right has been violated." The HHC argues families can sue in state court. IU law professor Steve Sanders points out the case only applies to public facilities, not those that are privately owned.
This is a fairly technical issue. But it is a potentially important one.
Sanders says that's because if the court rules in the Health and Hospital Corporation's favor, that would stop families from being able to sue for violations of this specific federal law in publicly owned care facilities.
It would close off one avenue that's been open up until now for residents of government-operated nursing homes to sue to vindicate their rights.
Now, Steve Sanders points out the ruling would not impact families' abilities to sue for violations of other federal laws or state law. The Indiana Attorney General and 16 other state attorneys general have filed a brief in support of the county. The Supreme Court is set to hear arguments November 8th. Kristen Eskow, CBS 4 News.
It's a story we'll be following. Kristen, thank you.